Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Open the remote app on your Redmi phone to begin setup. Grant permissions when prompted, including location and microphone, so the app can discover devices. Choose infrared remote if your model has an IR blaster. Scroll through brands and select the TV manufacturer you own. Point the phone at the appliance and press the power button to test the code. If the TV responds, save that code to your profile immediately to avoid repeating the search. Tap Add Device and select the appliance type, such as TV or air conditioner. Pick the brand and try the offered codes to see which one controls your unit. You may need to test up to 5 codes for a close match. If none work, use learning mode to record signals from your original remote directly into the app. Save the successful configuration and name it clearly, for example, living room TV, so family members can identify it easily. Explore advanced features such as macros to automate several commands with one tap. Create up to 5 macros for sequences like power, then input, then volume up. Add a one-tap widget to your home screen for immediate control without opening the app. Use voice control by linking the remote app to Google Assistant in Settings. Back up your remote profiles to iCloud to preserve configurations across devices. Share saved profiles with family so everyone can control the appliance easily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.